Hello children. Children, tell me the date today. Today's date is 28/20. Children, which subject I teach you? I teach you maths. Children, if I give you some sums, okay, one sum, subtract 84 minus 72. Tell me, firstly, if you have 8 toy car, okay, if you have 8 toy car or girls having 8 Barbies doll, right? So if you have 8 cars and girls Barbie doll, if then your mama take 5 from you, 5 from the girl Barbie doll and 5 from the boys cars. So how many girls left Barbie doll and cars from the boys? Cars, how many? 3, right? 3 cars, right children? This is one digit. Now children, if I give you question, subtract 84 and 72, right? So if we subtract from this ones, tens, here is 84 and 72, minus 4 minus 2, orally 4 minus 2, how many? 2. Now 8 minus 7, orally tell me? 1. So what is the difference come? 12, right? Children, if I take 362 minus 21, what? 662 minus 21, then how to subtract? But children, this is 3-digit number and here it is 2-digit number. Is it subtract? Yes, because 362 is the bigger number and 21 is the smallest, right? So children, today's topic is I am going to teach you what? Subtraction of 3-digit number. SUBTRACTION, subtraction of 3-digit numbers, okay? Subtraction of 3-digit number. Now children, here I write the question again. 362 and 21, right? So here 362 minus 21, because 21 is the 2-digit number, that's why I am starting from the tens place, and 363 is the 3-digit number, that's why I am starting from the hundreds digit. Minus sign. Children, we have to put a sign whatever we are doing. We are doing if subtraction, so we have to put a minus sign. If we are doing addition, we have to put a addition sign, okay? Children, in the test, many children give the example in only answers, not in the column way. Children, I am telling you this time that this is called the column manner, okay? इस प्रोसेस को हम कॉलम मैनर में लिखते हैं. कभी भी हम सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा इसी फॉर्म में, कॉलम फॉर्म में हमें लिखना चाहिए, ठीक है। ये वर्टिकली और हॉरिजॉन्टली, दिस इज द कॉलम में आंसर, ओके। सो नाउ वी हैव टू स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ones place, okay। So 2 minus 1, tell me, you have 2 fingers, minus 1, only 1 fingers you have, okay। Now 6 minus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 minus 2, 1, 2, 4 fingers is left. Now 3, is there any number below this 3? No, so we don't have any number to subtract from 3, so we have to just put it down as it is. So what is the difference come? 341, right children? If we subtract 21 from 362, then we get 341 means 341. Now children, if we take questions from exercises, right? Also children, open your book, open page number, open exercise 4.4 and question number, this is the exercise 4.4. Now if I take question number this, first question 853, right? Question number 1, if I take 853 and 31, right? So children, if I take 853 and 31, so 853 and 31, again this is 3 digit and 2 digit. 3 minus 1, tell me, 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, minus 3, how many? 2 fingers, 8. Is there any number? No, so we have to put as it is as, okay. Now children, let's take another question. This you can understood. Children, here exercise 4.4. Now question number, if I take question number 5, so subtract what? Question number 5, subtract 368 and 136. 368 and 136, okay. Now 368, okay children. Now 136, put a sign. 8 minus 6, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 we have to minus. So how many 2 lines are left? Now 6 minus 3. Tell me children. 6. 5 fingers and 1 6 fingers. 3. 1, 2, 3. How many fingers are left? 3 fingers. 3 minus 1. Tell me orally. 2. So children, what is the difference come? 232, right? 232, 232 is the difference. Okay, if we subtract 136 from 368. Okay, now children, if I take question number 6. Okay, I am not taking any similar, any easy question or whatever. I am just taking randomly. Okay, I am not thinking that which, but I take the toughest question from this exercise. Okay, the way that you all have learned. Okay, now question number 6 is 760. Here it is. 700. If we subtract 760 700 760 and 240. Okay, 240. Now children, here column, this is the column. So you all, if you get the question like this, you all have to do like this. Okay, 760 and 240. Now children, tell me how we have to subtract this. Minus sign. 0 minus 0 means if you have nothing, so what you have to show, sorry, should I take anything from you? No, because you have nothing. 0 means 0. So 6 minus 4, 6, 5 and 6. Okay, 6 fingers. Minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 2 fingers are left. Now 7 minus 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 2, 1, 2. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 520 is the difference. Okay. Now children, last question I am taking, that is 12th question. This question is question number 6. You all have done how to write this in column way. Okay, because I am not leaving the first row, because this question is not the borrowing question. Is there any need to borrow? No, there is no need to borrow. Okay, so that's why I am not leaving the first row. If we are doing borrowing question, if there is need to take to borrow, then we all have to leave one row. Okay, so now this is question number 12. Now question number 12, what is asking? What is question number 12 is 608 and 201, means 608 and 201. So here (608) and 201. Okay, now in the column way 608 and 201. Okay, now how we have to subtract this? 8 minus 1, tell me orally. 8 minus 1 is 7. Now 0 means 0. 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Now 6 minus 2, 6. 6. 5 fingers and 6. 6 minus 2, 1, 2. How many? 4. So what is the difference? 407. 407 is 407. Now children, the remaining questions are today's homework. Please take the question number 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All these questions, the remaining questions, you all have to do in your book itself. Fill the book, take a snapshot, and send it to me. Thank you children, thank you, and have a nice day, and please stay at home. Okay, bye bye.